Hello everyone, welcome back to the series of self-transformation practices. Do you know that around 80 to 85% of the time we either think about the past or we think about the future? Do you find this as concerning? Yes, definitely, right? Because we are hardly spending time in the present. It's medically proven that if you think about the past, you can get into a depression stage. And if you think about the future, you might get into an anxiety. And neither of it is good for us, right? If you ask me, the need of the hour is to learn how to focus, how to pay attention, how to be in that movement, how not to get distracted. And it might look a little difficult, but over a period of regular practice, we can excel in this. Now, you might be thinking that why are we not so good at paying attention? The point is very simple. You might know that in the school times, everybody keeps telling you, including teachers and parents, to focus, to pay attention, to concentrate. But there are hardly any classes where they teach us exactly how to concentrate or teach us how to exactly focus. So we never got trained on focusing or on concentrating in the first place. And that's exactly probably we are not that great in paying attention. Now the question is, how do we improve the concentration level? How do we have the ability to concentrate and focus better? Now there are a couple of things which we can do which has really helped a lot of people to get over the distraction levels. The first thing is just identify a particular act which you do on a daily basis. Now, for example, watching television, listening to your favorite music, talking to your partner for some time. Identify something, right? Once you've identified, then start paying complete attention to that single part on a daily basis. For example, if the task which you identified is talking to the partner, now whenever you're speaking to the partner, complete attention needs to be paid for that 5 or 10 minutes. I know it's very difficult, but over a period of time, you will find that it becomes easy. And this will really help to increase that attention span. Now you can start with one small activity, but it has to be done on a daily basis, and that's the magic formula. The other thing which I can talk about is try playing a sport every day. Now it can be an indoor sport, it can be an outdoor. For example, I started doing badminton a few years back, and that really helped me increasing the concentration levels. I'll tell you how. You all know that having a sport in life can increase your fitness level, but having a sport in life also increases your concentration big time. Now, how is that going to happen? Now, if you are in a game, if you are in the court, when you are playing the game, you have to think about that game. You have to think about getting that ball right. You have to think about that getting that shuttlecock right, isn't it? Now, the beauty of our mind is that it can be either in the present or in the past or future. If it's in the present, it cannot think about past and future, right? So the more you develop activities where you are in the present, the more your concentration level will increase. Now, just to summarize, two key things which we have to start doing. One is identify a task which you do on a daily basis and start paying complete attention to that particular activity every day. The time can be as short as 5 minutes or 10 minutes. It's okay, as far as it's done every day. The second thing is start playing a game. And if you do these two things, small things on a daily basis, the cumulative result will be really big. So let's start. Happy living.